Good morning, guys! Katatapos ko lang mag-film ng intro application part. Not really application part, but like demo something ng aking video. Finilm ko yung jumpsuit na makeup technique. Yung isiset mo yung mukha mo sa gamit yung tubig, cold tubig. Nandito pa nga yung tubig ko eh. I woke up early today, mga 7:30 or 7. Kasi si Dan maaga din gumising. And yeah, so I figured i-film ko yung video na yun kasi gusto ko na i-wear yung makeup throughout the day para makita talaga yung resulta. So yeah, ito yun jumpsuit Korean beauty trend. Something like that. So yeah. Watch out sa video na yun. Kung gusto niyo makita kung epektibo ba ito. Maaga pa pero gutom na ako. Nag-coffee ako kanina. Yung gamit kong coffee, yung ininom ko na coffee bago, Mocha na coffee, okay lang siya. Iba pa rin talaga yung 3-in-1. Ang cheap, diba? 3-in-1 talaga yung gusto ko. Ito yung coffee na binili namin na Dan kahapon. Nag-grocery shopping kami. Hindi ako nag-vlog kahapon eh. But yeah, medyo madami-dami binili namin. Magpo-prawns ako tonight. Good luck talaga sa prawns na yan. Kasi sana, yung bibilihin namin yung walang skin. Yung frozen na parang, yung frozen na prawns na wala ng skin. Pero wala sila eh. Late na kasi kami nag-shopping. Siguro mga 6 na kami umalis ng bahay. Tapos dumating kami doon, 6:37. Wala na masyadong laman yung deli. So, yun yung nakita namin. Meron siyang skin. Meron siyang mga paa yung prawns. Hindi ko alam kung paano. I will look it up and then for sure, malalaman ko na siya mamaya. Kasi kailangan ko tanggalin. Sabi ko kay Dan, hindi nila natin tatanggalin kasi diba mas masarap. Kaya lang, yung sa recipe kasi nagagawin ko, dapat walang mga ganun. Kasi, I actually, nasa na yung lista namin. Patay na talaga ako nito. Kailangan ko yung lista kasi nandun yung pangalan ng website at saka pangalan ng Nag-research kasi ako kahapon kung ano yung mga healthy na meals. Kasi sa Dan, lagi akong sinisisi. Ako yung dahilan kung bakit tumataba siya. Ang dami niya kasi kinakain. So, healthy yung mga lulutuin ko. Char. Kapag sinabi kong healthy, hindi yung as in sobrang healthy talaga guys ha. Basta, sinearch ko lang siya, healthy meals, and yun yung lumabas. Malay ko naman, diba? Pero yeah, hindi ko alam kung nasa na yung listang yun. Hindi ko na alam kung ano yung Thai noodles, something. Wait, I'll look it up guys. Hello! Ayusin ko na yung isisend ko kay Sisi. My gosh guys, ilang week, 1 week na ata akong delay na i-send ko sana yung package. And meron pang box doon. 2 boxes sana yan, diba? Yung isang box kinuha ko kasi nilagyan ko nga ng mga ipapadala ko kay Miss. So, ayusin ko lang siya kasi the last time we went, kailan ba yun? Tuesday? No, Wednesday. Wednesday, nung interview ko. Pumunta kami doon and I asked $70 and I was like, I'm gonna think about it. And sabi na, and inisip ko, kahit na kunan ko siya ng, super bright. Inisip ko, kahit kunan ko siya ng, like, 1 or 2 pieces ng clothing, like, ano bang magiging difference? $5? So, it's really nothing. Kasi, tingnan nyo guys, marami siya. Ano ba to? Umaapaw. So, ilalagay ko yung mga clothing dito. Tapos, para ma-press talaga siya. And, para magkasya siya sa box talaga. So, I will do that para masend na namin to. Hindi ko alam kung masasend namin to today. Kasi, daming ganap. Sobrang busy ko. And, kapag okay na, meron na akong time, wala na. Sarado na yung post office. So, okay. Gagawin ko lang to. Ibigay ko sa kanya itong shoes. Tapos, ito din. Shoes din na na-haul ko na white. And, kadalasan dito mga jacket. So, yung mga panlamig kasi malamig yung nandun siya sa... Lumipat na naman siya guys. Di ba sabi ko last time she's in Dunedin ata yung pag-pronounce nun. Now, nasa ibang lugar na naman siya na kalimutan ko. Mahirap siya i-pronounce. Anyway, I'll go ahead and take care of this. Ready na yung box. Buti pa yung box. Pupunta na ng New Zealand. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ko pa ito masisend. Kailangan ko pa itong i-fill up from to and yeah. Inano ko na siya. Sinara ko na siya. I'm not sure kung i-open pa nila yan. I-check pa nila yan before ko siya masend. Pero yeah, sinara ko na siya kasi kapag hindi ko siya tinape, lumalabas-labas yung mga jacket kalong. Anyway, that's it. Going to New Zealand. It's heavy, you guys. Nagpunta na kami ng post office. Tapos, na-weigh na nila to. Same lang yung content. So, mga 7 ata? 7 kilos? 7 point something? Yan, mababayaran ko is around $70. Or, yeah, something like that. Anyway, mag-i-edit na ako. Tapos, I think I need to film a voiceover. Meron akong DIY na film, guys. And kailangan ko lang na i-voiceover yun. Hi, guys! Na-amaze talaga ako sa sa mukha ko, guys. Char. Di naman. Nagugustuhan ko yung the way my face is looking right now. Anyway, aking lilinisin itong prawns na to na nabili namin kahapon na dan. Kasi, yung lulutuin ko pala is Thai prawns, Thai noodles with prawns, something like that. It's for tonight. And, yeah. So, I looked up online, ni YouTube ko, yung paano linisin yung prawns and how to devein it. Devein? Yeah, veins. Yeah, deveins. Whatever. Pero ito yung lumabas. And, yeah. Napanood ko na yung The Hook and the Cook. And then, yung kay anong pangalan nito? Gordon Ramsay. So, I know how to do it now. I think. So, it's easy. People will be like, hindi mo alam paano yan linisin. Hindi ko alam. First time ko to gagawin. So, chill naman kayo. I did it! Madali lang pala. Hindi naman pala mahirap. Right, babe? Madali lang pala. Hindi lang pala mahirap, babe. Lalagay ko to sa fridge ulit. Kasi mamaya ako pa yan lulutuin. Konti lang naman. Ang konti lang tingnan ng prawns. Dito na yung... Babe, I put it in here. The skin and the head. We will play badminton! He will use this singlet that I got for him. So expensive, $2. You owe me a lot of money, babe. You owe me a lot of money. We will play badminton! Yes! Poor you. Why? It's exercise. Hello, what is this? Oh, it's just a leaf. Let's go, babe. Bumili siya ng chocolates. Hindi to para sa kanya. Ibibigay niya sa kanya cousin na nag-claim ng aking passport sa Melbourne. He claimed my passport. Tapos, nandito siya. So, we will meet him tonight. Hindi ko alam kung saan. Pero, yeah, tonight after dinner, I guess. A drink? Okay. Water, uy! No, I'm good. Hindi kaya mag-badminton kasi windy. Kawawa naman ako. Gusto ko pa naman maglaro ng badminton. What is it? It's an ugly butterfly.
It's a moth.
Meron siya nakita, sabi ko butterfly. Sabi niya hindi yan butterfly. Do you want me to cook right now? No. You look good, babe. Oh, wow. Babe! You don't want me to cook it?
You meant to seal this up.
Huh?
Seal it, babe.
Seal it.
It's prawns.
It's skin and head.
Yes, got that.
Do you want to throw it away?
I don't want to keep it.
Well, you can keep it and make a stock out of it.
Oh.
It's good, like soup. Oh, whatever.
No.
You're not a good cook, babe.
No,
You're not like me. This is what I am cooking tonight. Thai prawn and ginger noodles. I don't have all the ingredients, but it should look like that. Kind of like that. So, yeah, let's start cooking because it's already 5:51. Let's go. Ingredients are ready. It's so messy in here. Pero this is garlic, ginger, capsicum, peas, snow peas, and then yan is prawns, bean sprouts, and the noodles. Ito. This. So this is very easy. Hindi ko pa to na-try na gawin, but nag-init na kami ng tubig, so that's boiling, and all I have to do is to put this in the boiling water and then like cover it and wait 10 minutes, I guess, and I think maluluto na siya. Yun yung instruction, I think. Okay, let me put oil in here because naka-ano na yung apoy, and let's start cooking. This is what it looks like right now. It's actually looking good. May make sure ko lang na luto yung prawns before ko ilagay yung noodles, and then yung noodles ganito yung itsura niya. So siguro mga 10 minutes na to dito. And sabi dun sa packet 20 minutes daw. So, yes. Bakit ang tsaka tingnan ng ano namin? Oh well. Lapit na yan. After nyan, ilalagay ko na yan. Dito, imimix. And yeah, hindi ko pa ito natikman. Hindi ko alam kung anong... hindi ko sinunod yung ano, yung nasunod ko yung ingredients. Hindi lahat. Pero, hindi ko sinunod yung ilang tablespoon. Ish like that. Yeah, we'll see. Naglagay lang ako ng kung ano lang yung feel ko ilagay. This is what it looks like. Looks good. Doesn't taste the best, but it's fine. It's good. It's good?
Yeah, it tastes good though.
Kain tayo, babe. Kain tayo. Yum. Good morning, guys! Maaga akong naligo today kasi darating yung mag-aayos ng aming garage door. Kasi diba sinabi ko sa last video ko na nasira. And sinabi ko pa doon na may warranty. Wala pala siyang warranty, guys. Yung motor wala siyang warranty. Or I think meron. Tapos 2 years lang. So, yeah. Super bait ng builder do ng bahay. Kasi parang yung nag-ayos ng garage door. Hindi niya naayos. Pero tinignan niya yung garage door. Sabi niya sira na yung motor. Parang tinawagan niya ata yung builder namin. And then, builder ng bahay ni Dan. Tapos sinabi na ito sira siya, hindi siya mapapalitan. So yung builder actually, yung nag-reach out kay Dan, sabi niya, hoy, dapat mo, hindi hoy. But sabi niya, hey, you're supposed to call me today about your garage door. Sobrang busy ni Dan, so hindi niya natawagan yung builder. Tapos yung builder yung reach out sa kanya. Sabi ng builder, tatawagan ko yung kumpanya. I'm sure meron kang warranty. So, tatawagan ko sila and then I will ask them to reach out to you. So, yun. Parang nag-wait siya ng 2 to 3 days. Tapos, tumawag. Finally, yung brand ng garage door is Boss. Yan. Remote to ng old one. And, sinabi nila kay Dan na walang warranty yung motor kaya papalitan talaga nila. And ang mahal, guys, $550. Yung babayaran na Dan. Free installation na. Well, of course, dapat free yung installation, diba? Sabi nila, they will be here 11 to 1 and it's now 10:51 ng umaga. So, yeah, hintayin ko lang sila. Anyway, mag-edit lang ako ng video while waiting. Ayoko mag-film kasi hinihintay ko pa sila. So, siguro after matapos na sila lahat, well, pwede din naman ako mag-film kasi voice over lang. Yung DIY ko, hindi ko pa rin natapos. Tinatamad ako kapag may voice over kasi kailangan mo siya i-edit, tapos voice over, tapos edit na naman ulit para ma-add yung voice over. So, lagi ko nauuna yung mga madali lang i-edit na videos like vlog. Siguro mauuna pa tong vlog na to kaysa sa DIY na yun, or maybe not. But I will do my best to finish that today kasi tagal na nung video na yun, tagal ko na yun film. Hello! I just finished cleaning. Hindi ko plinano na maglinis today and it happened. Yan yung yan na yung bago kong pananaw sa buhay. Ayoko iplano siya. Ayoko mag-schedule na. Well, except sa laundry kasi kailangan ko talaga mag-laundry na Monday at saka Friday. Pero yung paglilinis, ayoko siya yung schedule kasi kapag pinasok ko sa utak ko na schedule ko Monday, nasistress ako, guys. Kasi Monday, hindi ako nakalinis kasi di ba umalis ako, punta ako sa city para i-meet yung mga babae kong kaibigan dito. So, hindi ko siya nagawa. And Tuesday, hindi ko siya nagawa because I was busy. Wednesday, I was busy as well. Today, I had time. So, sabi ko, hindi ko na siya iisipin na may schedule ako maglinis kasi masistress ako kapag hindi ko siya nagawa. Nakakaloka. Hapon na guys. Alas 5 na ng hapon. 5:10 actually. And tapos na ma-install yung garage door na motor. Meron na kaming bago. Ang cute na remote. Hintayin ko lang si Dan. Sabi niya 5:30 siya darating. Perfect timing. Meron talaga akong nakitang kanina, spider. Malaking spider. Nakakaloka. When I was vacuuming, nakita ko tong spider na tumalapit sa door. And tumakbo. Nandito sa ilalim ng couch. Hindi ko alam. Dyan. Sa ilalim ng couch. Kaloka yung spider. Ang laki pa. Siguro mga ganito. Over. Siguro mga ganito kalaki. Diyan. Hanggang dito. Yan. Malaki yung spider na yun. Pagod naman ako, guys. Sabi ni Dan kahapon, pupunta kami sa pub ngayon. Manonood siya ng... Ano ba papanoorin niya? Ay, sport? Basketball, I think. Tonight, yung lulutuin ko is beef stir fry. Dinner, well, hindi pa dinner, pero ito yung lulutuin ko. Beef, na-marinate ko siya. Siguro mga 20 minutes na to. Meron siyang ginger, garlic, ano to? Sesame oil, tsaka soy sauce, snow peas, carrots, and then mushroom. Hindi ready ko na siya lutuin. Hindi ko... Oops. Looking good! Nakuko na dyan yung beef. Kinuha ko lang siya. Tapos, yung sauce, iniwan ko. Tapos, inano ko yung vegetables. Yung carrot at saka yung snow peas. Tapos, later on, ilalagay ko yung mushroom. And then, after that, pwede na i-add lahat. Kasama yung hoisin sauce. And then, ito, sesame seeds na tinost ko kanina. First time ko na magganyan-ganyan. Sesame seeds na talaga. Hello! But it's looking good. Pwede ko na i-add yung mushroom dito. Yum! It smells really good, you guys. Yan ang aming ulam tonight. Tapos na yung last step is pag-add ng hoisin sauce. Yes, ready. Kain tayo. I-off ko na. It's off. Kain. Hello, we will go for a walk. I'm gonna leave my camera, so I just wanna say we'll go for a walk because this guy.
Why don't you close the vlog?
Oh, just close the vlog now.
Might as well.
Okay, I'll close the vlog then. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Babe,
Yeah.
close my vlog.
No, you won't.
Sige.
I'm not closing your vlog.
Sige na. B.
I'm not closing your vlog.
Bye, guys. Be good. Good night.